Now, after the crucial BCCI meet was called off earlier today in New Delhi, the BCCI has now decided to back its own probe panel and say that it was duly constituted in accordance with the BCCI laws. The BCCI has decided to file an appeal in the Supreme Court against the Bombay High Court observations. The Bombay High Court, remember, had passed scathing observations terming the BCCI probe panel illegal.
As we see, BCCI still continues to be defiant, stating that the constitution of the two-member probe panel, which has been deemed illegal by the Bombay High Court, was of course done through all the constitution of BCCI was thoroughly followed. The constitution of IPL was followed, is what their press release or the statement that has just come through from the BCCI states. But the fact is, the members of the legal team did brief the governing council members and did tell them what are the legal ramifications that BCCI faces. And depending on that, of course, the BCCI has decided to move Supreme Court. While, as we've been reporting, Mr. Srinivasan might have opted to be defiant and stated that the writ has been dismissed. The fact is, BCCI moving Supreme Court, challenging the decision made by the Bombay High Court, is in a way admission that there was something wrong that was done. Even though they have decided to move the Supreme Court, they are aware that there were some rules that were flouted.
See, today morning there was a meeting of the IPL Governing Council. Mr. Arun Jaitley explained the important points in the Bombay High Court order to the members. After that, there was a brief discussion in the committee, and the committee decided to file an SLP against the order of the Bombay High Court.
What is an SLP?
It's the special leave petition in the Supreme Court. And also the committee took the decision to replace the members who have resigned, because Sanjay Jagdale and Ajay Shirke were the members of the ethics committee of the IPL, and in place of them